Okay guys, here we are, another video, another unboxing video. This is the Philips OneBlade Pro Face QP6530/20. And of course what the slash is just some of these have different accessories with them. So that's indicative by the /20 or whatever number that may be attached to it. And I just talked to Philips because I noticed something interesting. First of all, on the side of this, it mentions how it comes with the blade, the handle, the comb attachment. Doesn't say anything about a power adapter. Doesn't say anything about a charging cable, anything. Philips says that yes, there will be a charging cable inside the package. So we'll see. And if there isn't, they told me to contact them back. So this will be a real reaction, as all these videos are, as to whether or not there's a charging cable inside here. And I've used one of these before. About 5 years ago, I bought one of these. I don't have a lot of confidence in my ability to trim my beard, to maintain the shape of it, unless I first go to the barber shop. So tomorrow I'll go to the barber shop and I'll try to maintain it with this. But let's open this up here. Hopefully we can do so without needing scissors. Yeah, I think it probably should be fairly easy. Yeah, just a matter of getting the tape off the side here. There we go. 2 pieces down, maybe 1 to go, maybe 2 to go. Yeah, 2 to go. There's 1 on the bottom as well. I'll do that one. There we go. And on the right here, there's another piece. Okay, there we go. Opens up. And Philips, guys, let me just rant about Philips for a minute. Philips is absolutely clueless. They told me the only thing included in the package would be a cable. They said there's no power adapter because they send these things to many countries and it's more cost effective to not include power bricks, as they call them. Well, look at this. It's right here. So yet again, the customer service of Philips is non-existent. It's not customer service at all. They follow a script. I assume this is for the blade, I guess. I don't know. This is some kind of a thing for the blade, I guess. I don't know. I guess we'll read this. The instruction book, we'll see what that is. "10. Oh, it says it's a socket. A socket for small plug. Okay. Yeah, I'm not impressed, guys, by Philips customer service here. Their live chat is absolutely horrible. They pay people very little money. And they give misinformation out like it's candy. So we'll unwind this power adapter that they said wasn't included. Okay, this is something else. This is a little insert here telling you that when you are finished with, when the blade is getting near time to change it, there's a green bar that appears. And this is an old style blade, because with the newer blades, it's actually a yellow arrow. It actually looks like, the arrow here. You see on the front, on the top of the OneBlade there, it looks exactly like that. But we'll open this up here. Okay, slide this piece off. They really make these things hard to get into. Okay, what I'll do, guys, I'm gonna pause this so you're not watching me pick away at tape for the next 2 hours, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. That actually didn't take as long as I thought it would. Tape's off, let's just, there we go. Take it out. Oh, here's a little bit of tape here as well. We want to remove that too, over the LED display. And this thing that's supposed to be for the socket, I assume I won't need this. Let's try to plug it in here. Yep, goes in fine. Okay, let's see if it has any charge. Nope, totally dead. See that? Just like the razor I reviewed the other day and unboxed. See that? It's dead. So this is a 3-level display LED indicator. So of course, once you get down to the and the bars are white when there's battery, and then when it gets down to the last white bar, you can shave with it until, of course, it turns orange like this. And then, or red, I guess, orange, I guess it is. And then you can charge it. It says here, oh, before I get into that, there's the comb attachment as well. Okay, it's got, I think 12 length settings. And you snap it on there like that. Okay, from 0.5 millimeters to 9 millimeters. 9 millimeters, that's pretty short, even right there, that's quite short. That's probably what I would trim my beard with. Oh, here's another piece of tape at the bottom as well, I think. So we'll take that off. There we go. That's off too. Okay. So, yeah, it looks to be pretty good. Runs for an hour and a half on a 1 hour charge. Takes 1 hour to charge, and lithium ion battery, of course. Feels good. rubber back here because of course this is for use in the shower as well. I don't know that I'd use it in the shower, but you can if you want. Yes, and as is the case with all of these OneBlades, it's made in Indonesia. Again, just like the some of the budget 3000 series Philips razors are. Okay. So there you have it. There's a review. Philips live chat was wrong yet again. Clueless as usual. Yes, there is a power adapter included in the package. Why it's not written on the box, I don't know. But there you go, guys. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Visit my electric razor message board, electric razor app, www.electricrazораpp.com. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.